So first, we will get a hard tag and then we will put inside the bag. So the antenna is working. Antenna 1, antenna 2, and also the antenna is function already. So we will try. So first, we will get a hard tag and then we will put inside the bag. So the bag we will pass under by the antenna. Okay. So antenna 1, okay, working from the X sign. So also the antenna 2 working at the X sign. So we will try the middle or the center of the antenna. Go. So this is the center. Okay. So we will get another angle of the video. So that's the system. Okay. First, we will pass the center of the antennas. So it's working. And then other antenna, the antenna 1. Go. Okay. Every time we pass at the mark line, no, the mark, the X mark, the antenna is the sounder is working. Okay. So okay. How about another antenna, the antenna 2? Okay. So both antennas are working. So the antenna connected, the smallest, the old antenna is connected to the driver, and also the big one is working also. Okay, that's the old one, and it's working properly. So both antenna is working.